Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on SMC tutorials. In today's tutorial, we continue our series on how to navigate the SMC DAO app. We want to learn how to donate to the SMC DAO using the SMC DAO app. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find our content helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat. WikiCat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. Alright, so guys, let's dive into the tutorial. Let's launch the app. So once the app is launched, from here select profile. Alright, go over to my donations, and this is the interface where you make your donations. On the SMC DAO app, right, there are badges for those that donate. Right, so once you donate, you get any of these badges depending on how much donated. Right, you can see there's a one-figure badge for those that donate between $1 to $9. There is 2 figures badge, 10 to 99, 3 figures badge, and all the way up to 10 figures badge. Right, so guys, let me show you how to then make donation on this app. So if you want to make a donation, select make a donation. So you're given an address to send your donations, and as you can see, it must be either in USDT or WikiCat on the BSC chain. Right, you cannot send any other token to this address. So what you do is copy the address, then go over to your wallet, select send, paste the address, select paste. Alright, then select continue. Right, input the amount of USDT or WikiCat that you want to send. 60 million WikiCat. Then select send. Confirm. Alright, so our tokens has been sent. So let's go back to the SMC DAO app. Alright, select profile, my donations. Alright, so guys, it now shows our donations. So it means that our donation was successful, and now we are eligible for the one-figure badge. So we can go to our collection of badges to see if we now have the one-figure badge. Select my badges. Alright, so as you can see, we now have the one-figure badge. Alright guys, so that is how to donate on the SMC DAO app. Thank you guys for watching the tutorial video. If you have questions concerning the tutorial, please drop your questions in the comment section. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Right, see you in another tutorial. Bye.